This channel has over 70K subscribers by uploading this kind of videos.
You can solve this riddle. You are in the 5% of the most intelligent people.
And the competition in this niche is very low right now. You can start getting results within a week because I also started a channel in this niche, the results of which I will tell you at the end of the video. And the name of this niche is Murder Mystery Riddles. This channel only has 9 videos and it's already monetized, making $13K according to Social Blade. So how can you create videos like this? Let's start the video without wasting any time. This video is divided into 3 steps. Starting with the first step, we need riddles. I will use Chatgpt. You simply have to open Chatgpt and write here, "Give me a unique murder riddles with realistic words." Then Chatgpt will give you unique riddles. You just have to copy them. Going to step 2, voiceover. For this, you have to go to 11 Labs, and there, paste the riddles you copied from Chatgpt and select Adam's voice and click the generate button. Going to third step, images. For images, you have to go to Lexica AI, or you can use Leonardo AI if you want. You have to first go to Chatgpt and write this prompt here. Give me a 5-image prompt about this riddles. Then Chatgpt will write you 5 image prompts. Then you have to copy the first prompt and paste it on Lexica and select 916 and generate it. Like this, you can generate images using all the prompts. Going to last step 4, video editing. For this I will use CapCut because you can add automatic captions in it. You have to first open CapCut and add all the 5 images we generated here. Then you have to add the voiceover you downloaded from 11 Labs and set the duration of the images according to the voice. Then you can add some transitions and effects of your choice, which will make your video more interesting. Then click on automatic captions here, and your video will have automatic captions added too. Now let's talk about proof. My channel's name is Riddles XYZ. This channel has 165 subscribers, that too with only 1 video, and I haven't been active on this channel for a long time. You can see the growth of this niche. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to the channel and like the video, and definitely tell me in the comments how many of you are going to work on this niche.